Hey there, Brandix SEO. Last time I explained to you the difference, or in some detail, about outbound marketing and inbound marketing. Digital marketing is inbound marketing, print media, television, radio, outbound marketing. Now, one of the things that I want to stress upon you is in the outbound marketing, which was the traditional sense of marketing in the past, recent past, and sending out flyers, being on air, whether it be voice only or voice and video, and hoping somebody that needs your product or service sees or hears your message. Otherwise, they won't know about it. Now, we no longer, you live somewhere, you need something. Could be, hey, listen, I need a plumber. Can you get me a plumber? No phone books. What do? You search on Google. Plumber, Toronto. So, you're looking for something, you need something, maybe just a quote, you don't know which way to turn, but where do you go? You go to Google. So, with SEO and digital marketing, we put you in front of those people that are looking for that product or service. So, they're searching for what you have to offer versus you searching to get somebody that you hope is interested in what you have to offer. That's the big difference, and huge difference. With digital marketing, the crowd and the different channels of availability of new warm leads is like it's never been before, and it's continually increasing. So you want to continue your focus on investing in yourself and your business, which means your business, and put that money in the proper channel that produces what you need. Everybody needs sales. Sales are all important. Now, the other factor is, with the digital marketing, this is going 24/7. So it's working for you, your business, to get you leads for your business or your product 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Holidays, barely takes any time off. So that's enough for this video now. Above, I've included a web address. There's a phone number there. There's an email. If you have any questions, please feel free to get a hold of me. And hope to talk to you soon. Thank you very much.